Hello Patrick people, and welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing a couple key points to remember about your new iDrive 7.0 system. Now the iDrive 7.0 is what's going to be featured in the 2019 X5, so let's just dive right into a couple different details and features that'll help you get started. So as you can see, this is going to be the page that's first going to display whenever you first start your vehicle. And these are actually called pages, which are completely you can edit them, you can remove some. So all you have to do is, say if you don't want your communication right there, you can just press and hold on it, and you're just going to go to this little arrow or X and delete it out. You can also change a page, so say you want your weather displayed, you can choose to have your weather. If you want to add a page below your weather or up top to your weather, you can either select this plus up here to put it on top or the plus down here to put it on the bottom. So we're just going to leave it as is for now. And now you have, your radio, weather, and weather again here, so in case you need to view two weathers at the same time. You also have a couple different pages you can kind of flip through if you want to get to something a lot quicker. Another key point to remember is this little bar at the top here. So this is going to display, of course, your time. This little person is your driver profiles. This little mute button means we're muted on the first Sirius XM station, and this little 2 is going to be your notifications. So if you want to access your notifications, you're just going to click on that little number 2, and it'll show you, of course, there's some services that have been updated, and we currently have the vehicle in valet parking mode, so that's what's going to show up there. To get back to your home menu, you can just click on the little house button right there, or you can just click your home button up top above your iDrive button. So we're just going to go back home. And another key thing to remember with this new iDrive system is going to be your driver profiles. Now a quick way to access your driver profiles is just pressing this little person right here, and that'll display any profiles you currently have. So right now we're on guest, and a key point to remember about adding a driver profile is that you have to have a connected drive menu set up in order to have your profile information displayed. So what you do when you first purchase your vehicle is you create a driver profile. And now there's several ways to do this. So you can either log in with your BMW Connected Drive account once you get that set up, so you can log in that way. If you go to newest registration, you can create a new driver account in the customer portal online. Just scan this QR code and that'll get you set up that way as well. So remember, if you want to add multiple people, they each need to make a connected drive account, and then that way all your user settings will be set. Another really cool feature is you can actually change your avatar. It's not going to be lit up now because we don't have a connected drive, but you can choose from several cool little pictures of BMWs and just kind of make it your own. So it's kind of a new fun feature that they put in there. So we're just going to go back to our home menu. Another key feature is the drop down menu. So it's kind of similar to what you have on your phone. You're just going to go up top here, and this menu button is going to slide down. So you can, of course, access quick items that you might need to do, such as adjust your main menu. It'll give you recent navigation destinations, your recent calls, notifications, help, and your displays. So your displays is going to, you can adjust your heads up display, you can adjust the height, rotation, you can adjust settings in your instrument panel, control display, as well as the driving mode view. If you want to have it in Sport, Comfort, or Eco Pro, those are the 3 different colors it'll change to, which is kind of cool. So you can have red for Sport, white for Comfort, and blue for Eco. So that's about going to wrap it up for just some key points you need to know about the main menu system and just a nice little start into the iDrive 7.0. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.